Edge is a service company. We're focused on pest control and lawn care. We're expanding into other different services right now, so really excited about where we can go with that. We are, I think it's safe to say, the only pest control company that has spent millions of dollars on proprietary software, other than maybe your top two that are billion-dollar pest control companies. And I think that is the biggest potential to be disruptive, and we're excited to be on the front end of that. There's nothing cooler than seeing other individuals achieve their dreams and reach heights that they did not think they could otherwise have reached. So that by far, I would say, is the biggest accomplishment and gives me the most fulfillment personally. It really is to try and increase our sphere of influence to be able to lift and bless more people. The more that I can expand who I am and my talents and my abilities, the more that I can help others do the same thing, the more that they can influence other people for good. The more that we can help everybody at every level of our organization do that, the more success that happens. It's a win-win, really, when you think of it that way. It's more of an outward mentality. That really is at the root of our culture, and we try to push that in everything that we do. I know that the people that we have are committed to that, are excited about it, and we have great people. Let me tell you, we've got great people.